What's up, everybody? Bucket here. Bucket's World of Vegas coming back to you with another room walkthrough tour. This time, as you can tell, we are at the Luxor. This is my first time to stay at Luxor. I figure I gotta try it at least once, and I had a decent comp for the night, so we decided to come down here. We are in a Pyramid Premier Corner King Suite Big. There is a difference, and I'll explain that once we get into the room. But let's go inside the room and check her out. So, we are on the 5th floor in the pyramid, which unfortunately doesn't utilize the inclinators. It actually used elevators. I was a little disappointed on that. I did want to stay here almost specifically so I could ride the inclinators, but this is what we got. So we are on the 5th floor, room number 121, which is right by the elevators. Let's go inside and check her out. So there are two Corner King Suite rooms in the pyramid. There is what we've got, which is the Pyramid Premier Corner King Suite Big, and then there's the standard Corner King Suite in the pyramid. The difference is the square footage. The square footage in this room, I believe, is 850. The square footage on the non-big, I believe those were 500 and some change. But anyway, here we are. This is the room. First impressions are that it is a big room. It's bigger than I thought it would be. When you first walk in, you do have your little closet space here. Typical hotel stuff. And as stated, this is a king bed. Nightstand, lamps. I do like that wall vinyl on the accent wall. I guess that's new, or at least the room appears to have been renovated fairly recently. The furniture doesn't have the old Egyptian theming like was here forever. Got a nice seating chair in the main part of the living room. You do have a large soaking tub. It is not jetted, so this is not a spa tub, but it is rather large, and I think you could probably fit 2 people in there comfortably, maybe 3. 4, I think, would be, just too much. The air conditioning system in these rooms is old school. When I say old school, I mean you're turning dials to get these things to work. These things are probably relics. I can't imagine what it would be like working on one of those. The TV appears to be 43-inch, an older model Samsung, nothing fancy. You've got your desk work area here, luggage rack, and then what makes this the suite is a living room area. It's got a bit of a section, not really a sectional couch. I don't know what you call that. A couch with a chaise lounge. I like that bowl. It's pretty cool. These rooms do have a mini refrigerator that is not a mini bar, and it is ice cold. Got another air conditioner for this area, and another TV, which also appears to be 43-inch as well. Overall, it's not a bad room. There are some condition issues that kind of, show the age of the hotel. I think primarily the biggest thing that kind of pops out at you is the popcorn ceiling. I don't understand why. If they went through and they renovated, why didn't they just knock that down, bring it up to date? The view from the 5th floor, not that great. I'll be honest with you, I'm a little upset. I did the mobile check-in, which I've never done anywhere before, and this is kind of why, but I requested a high floor. I requested away from the elevators. I got exactly the opposite. I got the low floors, and I'm literally right by the elevator. I feel like checking in with a desk agent. I could have pointed that out, and I probably would have got what I was looking for. But So the difference is between the corner king suite big and the corner king suite, I believe that the big rooms are on the lower floors, just because mathematically the pyramid is larger at the base than it is at the top. So these corner rooms probably have more square footage than they do up in the higher levels of the pyramid. That's just my guess. Got a nice full body mirror there. Check yourself out. And now the last and final part, which is the bathroom. This is a very large bathroom, and it's kind of plain. Not a whole lot of frills in here, but hey, it's just a bathroom, right? Got your stand-up shower, which I hate this. I hate that there's no shower curtain there. We'll see how it showers. Obviously, there's no tub in here because of the tub out there. And I was kind of surprised and impressed that it has one of my favorite room features, and that is an independent exhaust fan in the bathroom. You all know why. Don't act like you don't, but that is a nice feature. So anyway, overall the room's nice. I'm gonna set out the little thermometer to show you, because I've heard rumors that the pyramid tower rooms or the pyramid rooms can get hot during the day. It's actually really comfortable in here. So I'm going to leave these air conditioners on, and I'm going to put the thermometer in here, and we'll see throughout the day what the temperature in the room actually is and how low it goes and all that. What's this switch? That's got to be the lights over the tub, yeah. And an exhaust fan there. That's for the steam. So anyway, I'll follow up in the morning to let you know how the room slept, how I liked it, and we'll take a look at that temperature just to make sure that those rumors are not true, that these rooms don't necessarily all get hot. Thank you guys for watching. Stick around for that follow-up. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, leave that stuff down below. We'll be right back with you in the morning. All right, we're coming back, following up on the temperature thing here in the room. And one thing I want to point out to you. So we checked in. I got to the room about 2 o'clock, and I put my little thermometer out, and I reset it. And at some point between us leaving the room and us getting back to the room, it got up to 75 degrees in here. It is now 68 degrees, with the lowest that it has been since that time is 68 degrees. So maybe that's as low as it goes. I don't know, maybe it'll be different in the morning. But one thing that I also wanted to point out is that the technology in these rooms, in the pyramid rooms, is not near as nice as in the tower rooms. What you would experience with a guide on your remote. This remote does not have a guide. The TV does not have a guide. And this is what you get in the pyramid rooms versus what I'm about to show you in the tower rooms. Versus this in the tower rooms. Got a full, accessible, navigable guide. So yeah, for entertainment, for the TV, the technology, I guess, in the rooms, the tower rooms are superior to the pyramid rooms, if that makes a difference in your world. Now you know. So you can kind of see the difference there. You don't get the same options from the tower to the pyramid. So just some things to consider when you're considering a room here at Luxor. Otherwise, I'm about to jump in that bed. It's late. I got an early flight out. It sucks, but it is what it is. About to go to bed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.